morning, grade 6s, and welcome to a new year. Today we're going to concentrate on column method addition. Write down the date and the heading, addition, column method. Then rule off from your heading and start to write down the sum. Make sure to concentrate and line up your units. That is extremely important. Notice that these numbers here are nicely lined up. This is actually your units, your tens, your hundreds, your thousands, and your 10,000s. When adding, try and look for your groups of 10. That's going to give you 20. Carry the 2 just in front to the 5. If you add 5 and 2, you're going to get 7. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Put down the 8. Carry the 2. Now I see 8, 8, 8, and this is 8. So that is 32. Carry the 3. Now to make my life easy, immediately I look for the bonds of 10. There's a bond of 10. So I've got 10, 6, and 7. So this is 17. And I carry up here. I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you have now added in column method. Now write down exercise 12A #1, page 24. Then fold your page in half and begin to copy the sums. Seven and 2 is 9. Put down. 7 plus nothing or 0 is 7. 8 and 1 is 9. And 4 and 3 is 7. To the next sum, I've got 3 and 3, that's 6, and 2 is 8. This here, I'm looking for bonds of 10, so I've got 10, that's 12, it's 13. Carry. Now I've got 2, 2, and 1 is 5. 9, 8, 4. That's going to give me 17 plus 4 is going to give me 21. And the final answer here is that. Please notice that I've lined up the units. Notice everything is neatly in columns and it's all nicely lined up. Now we're going to start again, and I'm definitely looking for my bonds of 10. So if I look here, that's a bond of 10. If I look there, I have a bond of 10. 10 and 10 is 20. Put down the 0 of the 20. Carry the 2. I've got 5 and 2, which is 7. So that is 7, 7, 7, 7. It's going to give me 28. It's 8, 8, 8, 8. That's 32. Carry 3. Here I see the bond of 10. So that's 10. That's 16, 18. Carry 1. So I've got 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do the next one. 2 and 3 make 5. This here would make 13. 6 and 7 make 13. Now I've got 7 and 1 is 8, so 8 and 8 is 16. If I put here, that's 10. 9 and 1 is 10, plus 4 is 14. And if I carry here, I've got 8 and 4, so that's going to make 12. Right, let's add this one up. You'll notice first of all before adding that this is lined up. Everything's lined up to the units on this side. We do not line up on the other side. 3 and 2 make 5. This would make 10, carry. So 9 and 1 is 10, for 7 is 17, carry. We know 8 and 8 is 16 and 1 is 17, carry. And this would be 8. Looking here, we've got a bond of 10. 8 and 2 is 10. So I'll put down the 0 of the 10 and carry. Well, I'm going to put it there because then I can see 4 and 4 is 8. 3 and 2 is 5. 8 and 8 is 16. And 9 and 4 is 13. And let's carry on. 3, 0 and 7 is 7. This is going to give me 17. Carry. 8 and 4 is 12. Carry. So this is 9 and 1 is 10. There we go.